Clearbrow, North Dallas, 22 Model X, full wrap XPEL Ultimate Plus, and window film, full vehicle and window film by XPEL's XR Plus for the highest heat rejection. And let's take a walk around this guy and look at our job of all that we wrap in. Everything's getting wrapped in. All these areas here, all getting wrapped in, no lines. Everything's under the panel. Just like this rear quarter going into the hatch. The Ultimate Plus, what a great film, man. Nice and shiny, glossy. I did these little door handles, so all that's good to go. Mirror wrapping all the way around this edge, so we don't have a line on top. Wrapping the hood all the way in, very common. Wrapping all the way around that edge. Wrapping this A-pillar all the way up, over into the glass, over into the molding, and then underneath this plastic thing is where it terminates. It goes underneath the fender. It also goes, the fender goes up underneath here, into the frunk. The fender goes under here into the lights. So we get rid of all those edges. We don't want edges. Everything just looks fantastic on this. Nice and glossy. Excuse me. And then much more of the same on this side. So wrapping into the moldings here. And these moldings don't come off, but we're able to get the film underneath there. It's not a big deal. Much more of the same here. Everything's wrapped in, piece of cake, wrapping into all the plastic shrouds, rear bumper, fully wrapped in, tailgates, hatch, whatever you want to call it, fully done, all wrapped up in here. Yeah, just it's very elementary for us. No problem to get it right, and guarantee 10 years lifetime installation guarantee on our end. So you're fully covered on that film, fully covered on the labor. Anything happens to this film, just bring it in and drop it off. Chances are, if you have an error with the film, it happens a little bit, not too much, but we're always willing to work with our clients and make it easy on them. Example, you hit your side of your garage. That's not going to be a warranty issue, but we're more than happy to work with you and make it not so painful. So any questions, clearbrow.northdallas.com. There's submission forms. And then also direct line 214-414-3809, extension 1 on Brent. And appreciate you guys watching, clearbrow.northdallas.com.